If you go back and look at what the original Playboys were all about, there was a lot of content. Oh, we got a dog. Nina, look, there's a puppy. There he is. Can't see you properly. It's crazy bright. There we go. Okay. It's my bad. There's like tons of sun. Oh, we got a dog. Nina, look, there's a puppy.
You guys know me. I gave you.
Yeah.
We were at the Young and Reckless event.
Yeah, man. The puppy's getting bigger. That's a puppy from California.
Oh, the German Shepherd.
Yeah, look, he's getting bigger. He's getting bigger.
Can see that.
There he is.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, she's so cute.
Yeah. We met you guys when she was what? 3 weeks?
No.
Like a month or two. Yeah. She was.
Yeah. Tiny, just like popping out of his little bag that he was carrying around at this event that we were at in Los Angeles.
Yes, I love her. But yeah, I actually saw your video yesterday on YouTube back in 2014.
Okay.
When you're, yeah, very slick man, by the way, very sharp. I like how you were wearing like the sweater with the jeans. Very cool touch.
Oh,
And-
that was when I was in my home. Was it like white home behind me? Yeah, okay.
And you made some great, interesting points because I discovered my very first company. So through that, I would like to see how I should go about creating a electronic newspaper because I would like to use women, hot women, with subliminal positive messages to inspire boys to men. So basically showing how you can get all this, you can get beautiful women, you can get your dreams, but you have to put in the work. So using almost like sex sells, ripping a page off of Hugh Hefner, but using women to inspire men to go out there and work hard.
So it's interesting you said Hugh Hefner because when we did a top 10 on him, we kind of went deep into his story. If you go back and look at what the original Playboys were all about, there was a lot of content in the original Playboys. You're trying to bring that into a 2019, 2020 environment.
Yes.
So I would go back one study young Hugh Hefner. What was the deal he made? He got some famous. Well, he got the Marilyn Monroe pictures, but then he also got he got the rights to that, but he also got celebrities. I feel like he even got the First Lady at some point, although I might be making that up, to share messages. Mm-hmm. That they would pen pieces, like people who you wouldn't normally associate with being in that magazine to create content and lend extra credibility to what it's all about. So I would go back and study early Hugh Hefner and see what part of that message really resonates with you and then update it for a 2019, 2020 online environment.
Cool. Very cool.
Yeah, there's something there.
Yes, and it's not, and I think it's a great way to also use that platform to unite men and women, especially in a time where we're so separated from sexes. I think the women, just like your wife has inspired you to do big things, I think women can also be there for men to help them build their empires as well.
Great. So that's the message you spread.
Okay.
And Instagram should definitely be a big part of it too. It's such a visual thing you're doing. Mm-hmm. Like you have the website with the content, and then Instagram becomes the final system into the website.
Okay. All right.
The dog is amazing.
Bye, Nina.
Cool, man. He's saying bye. She can't hear you. I've got headsets on.
Oh.
Bye.
Okay.
Take care, man.
Take care.
Good luck. Much love.
If you have a podcast or interview show and want me to be a guest on it, I have two options for you. There's a link right there next to me. Go click it, and I look forward to being a guest on your show.